Dear viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this chapter, there will be an explanation of the 4 types of aspects, namely, conjunction, opposition, sextile and trine, as follows. The 10 planets that appear in the natal chart may be found in different houses. Each planet may relate to each other by conjunction, opposition, sextile and trine. They are considered related or having a relationship to each other. When determining planetary power of a planet in a house, bhava, the dignity of the planet and other related planets must be considered. Furthermore, the relation between the planet itself and other planets must be considered, whether they are friendly pair, kindred pair or enmity pair. The result will differ depending on the relation. Furthermore, the relation must be determined in percentage. This will be described in detail later on. The ascendant is equivalent to a planet. The planets that are in conjunction, opposition, sextile, or in trine with the ascendant will affect the ascendant. They are considered having relation with the ascendant. Conjunction. Conjunction is when 2 planets or more are in the same house. They are called conjoining planets. They will transfer their energies to each other up to 100%. The planet that is in conjunction with the ascendant is called ascendant conjoining planet. If that zodiac does not belong to an ascendant, but in that zodiac there are more than 1 planet staying together, they are called conjoining planets in the same zodiac. According to the illustration above, for example, when the ascendant is in Aries and there is no other planet in the house, it can be considered as non-conjunction ascendant. On the other hand, if there is a planet in Aries, the planet is a conjoining planet. In case the ascendant is in another house and there are 2 or more planets in Aries, the planets are in conjunction with each other or are sharing the house. Opposition. Opposition describes a condition when there are 2 planets that are directly opposite to each other in the natal chart. In other words, they are located 7 houses away from each other, counting from one of them as 1 and continues towards the 7th house. They are called opposing planets. If a planet is in the opposite house to the ascendant, the planet is called ascendant's opposition. They will transfer their energies to each other up to 80%. Sextile. Sextile can be determined by counting from a planet to another by 11 houses apart. They are called in sextile to each other. It is called forward sextile if they are 3 houses from each other, while backward sextile is called when they are 11 houses from each other. In case the ascendant and a planet are in sextile, it is called in forward sextile to an ascendant and in backward sextile to an ascendant, accordingly. See the illustration above. This aspect could enhance the ascendant or the considered planets up to 60%. Trine. Trine can be determined by counting from a planet to another by 5 and 9 houses apart. These planets are considered in trine. They will enhance each other up to 50%. Asterisk asterisk the planets that are not conjoined or in opposition, sextile, trine with the ascendant is called not related to an ascendant planet. They will not affect external factors that are related to the native in both positive and negative ways. However, they will affect the natives in a talents given a condition that the meanings of the houses are also considered. This will be mentioned in predicting the basic horoscope step. Asterisk asterisk conjunction, opposition, sextile and trine are primary bases which are always in use. They cannot be ignored and thus ought to be well remembered. Please stay tuned for the upcoming episodes.